The TUSHY Oasis bidet seat is toilet innovation at its finest. It's TUSHY's only non-electric bidet seat with warm water, and you're about to learn why it's so great. If you're curious about any other TUSHY models, click on the link in our description for a video that covers all of TUSHY's bidets, electric and non-electric. Otherwise, stay with me and let's dive into the TUSHY Oasis. Oh, and I'm Monica, by the way, your HelloTushy product guide. Happy to see you here. After our time together, not only will you know all about the TUSHY Oasis, but you'll feel confident to purchase, install, and elevate your bathroom butt cleaning experience to spa-like levels. Let's make your bathroom the best room. We all know TUSHY Wave, right? Our room temperature, non-electric bidet seat. If not, check out TUSHY Wave's features, all in the link in the description below. But for those who are familiar with TUSHY Wave, you'll love meeting TUSHY Oasis. TUSHY Oasis is our warm water non-electric bidet seat. Like Wave, Oasis is an integrated seat that features dual flow nozzles for front and back wash. I personally love this front wash feature so much. It is a lifesaver during that time of the month, ladies. Unlike Wave, however, TUSHY Oasis features full temperature control. This means that Oasis will require a hookup to the sink in your bathroom, which we will cover in the install overview in a bit, so stick around. Oasis includes a quick release button for easy installation and removal. The entire seat can slide off, and I find this as a game changer when I'm cleaning my bathroom. It's important to keep the Oasis as clean as it keeps my booty. You'll find a tear-shaped easy grip knob on each side of the seat, one for pressure control and the other for temperature control. The controls built into the seat itself makes for a seamless design, and the knob shape offers a better grip overall. And of course, like the TUSHY Wave, TUSHY Oasis has a soft lid close for luxurious finish, so your toilet experience can be as smooth as your bowel movement. So smooth. Okay, now for a quick overview of TUSHY Oasis installation. TUSHY provides everything you need for installation in the box except a screwdriver, which you will need to remove your toilet seat. Installation takes less than 10 minutes and anyone can do it. TUSHY Oasis is available in both round and elongated toilet shapes, so definitely get that tape measure out to confirm what size your home throne is first. HelloTushy.com has a helpful toilet shape guide, which you can refer to here. As Oasis is an integrated bidet seat, you'll remove your pre-existing toilet seat and install the Oasis base plate. Once that's done, you just slide and click the Oasis seat into place. Very satisfying. Oasis is a non-electric warm water model, so it's going to require a connection to the warm water source under your bathroom sink, as well as connection to the water inlet system behind your toilet. If your booty loves the idea of warm water on tap, but it leaves you wanting more, maybe an electric model like the TUSHY Ace 2.0 or Cloud Plus is for you. They both include a remote control heated seat, built-in warm air dryer, and much, much more. So as you've seen here, you can't really make your bathroom an oasis without TUSHY Oasis. You see what I did there? This model is an excellent option if you don't have a plug near your toilet, but warm water is definitely a requirement for you. It's especially great if you enjoy the streamlined look of an integrated bidet toilet seat. And that's TUSHY Oasis. I look forward to seeing you right back here whenever you next pop into the HelloTushy channel. Let us know in the comments if you prefer warm or cool water bidets, or any other questions about non-electric bidets. Make sure you subscribe to our channel here, and we'll see you over at HelloTushy.com.